my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut 720-degree peplum with Ankara fabric. Let's go to the cutting section. Welcome to the cutting section. I'm using this Ankara fabric to cut out the 720-degree peplum. So this is 40 inches of Ankara fabric because I'm making use of 6 inches of the peplum. So assuming I'm making use of 10, 12, 13, 15 inches, I'm making use of 2 yards of this fabric. So this is a stay to make it stand the way you are looking at it at the picture. And this is also a cargo line. The cargo line, I'm going to attach every one of these into the peplum to make it stand very well. And this is the line that I'm going to use as the facing for the fabric. So I'm keeping all this aside. So now I'm going to fold this into 16 parts. So now this is into 2, then into 4, so this is into 4, now into 8, but we're going to 16 places. So now this is into 8, then I'm going to fold it like a triangle for you to see it. Now this is into 16. So now I'm going to fold it for you to see the way I fold it very well. You can see the way I was folding it earlier. Into 8, then into 16. You can see that's into 16 places. So the next thing I'm going to determine now is the band. Determine the band, so I'm doing 3 inches for the band. 3 inches. 3 inches. So that's 3 inches into 16 places, which is going to give us 48 inches. So now this is the length. The length I'm using 6 for the length. 6 for the length. This plate I'm doing now is going to come out in 2 places, in 2 circles. That's 360 plus 360, which is going to give us 720-degree peplum. So I'm cutting it once. That's why I fold it into 16 places. So the next thing here is to cut out the band, then the length. So the next thing to do now is to cut it out. Starting from the waist, then the length. I'm going to open it now for you to see. That is 2 circles. You can see the circle, the first circle, and the second circle. Yes, those are the 2 circles. The 360-degree circle and the other one too is a 360-degree circle. So I cut it out once. You can see it. So 360 plus 360 give us 720 degrees. The next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it into 2. Then you can also use this as a cape. You can see the way it is. You can use it as a cape before you cut. Then I'm going to cut it out now to join the two circles together to give me 720 degree peplum. You can see it. Yes. That is the facing and that is the face. Yes, that's the face that I'm going to put it, and this is the color line that I'm going to put on it. So this is the facing that I'm using. I'm placing it on it to cut it out. So you can see it, the facing and the main fabric. So you can lower it with an inches or you can leave it that way. So now I'm joining the plate together to make it 720 degree peplum. So the lining to lining first, which is this as the facing first. So I'm doing it to the two facing first. Then the fabric, the Ankara fabric too, I'm joining it also. So the next thing now is to
together with the
join
so I'm using this on it.
The fabric,
so
facing and the whole line
I'm going to do it now.
together. You can see. Be doing it small to make it. You'll be doing it little by little to make it neat and to turn out fine. You can see the way I'm doing it. So now I'm going to stitch it at the top there. You can see it, I'm stitching it around also to make it turn neatly. So it will be neat. So now I'm going to turn into the white, then I'll press it with iron. So this is the finished work so far. You can see it. You can do it any way you like it. So you can peplum this way. You can see it. And you can also use these as a flowers. You can see it. You can also use these to make a rose flower. You can see it. It depends on how you want it. It can be here. It can be at the sleeve side here. Depend on you. It can be at the chest here. Depend on how you want it to be. And you can make use of it as a peplum. Depend on you. You can see the way it is. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.